Hello, we are ready to begin our first lesson, which is lesson 11, Exploring Microsoft Office 2010. So for this step, we will get more acquainted with the programs in Microsoft Office. The first thing we need to do is find our Start button that is located on our taskbar. The Start button is the round button on the bottom left hand side, and if you move your mouse over it, you'll see Start. Click on your Start button and notice that it brings up many applications on this long bar. These applications are considered your most frequently used applications. So you can pick from this list if the application is listed that you would like to open, or you can scroll down to the very bottom where it says All Programs and notice under All Programs all the different programs, all the programs that are available to run, you can open here under All Programs. So right now we are looking for Microsoft Office. Now if you notice here to the left, you have a bunch of folders. Generally the folders have more programs within the folder as opposed to single programs that you can click and open here. So these are single programs, and these are program folders with more programs in them. So let's scroll down and look for Microsoft Office, and here it is. And notice under Microsoft Office we have various programs. Now if you look here to the left, you see icons that represent each program. So if you see these icons, it should cue you to what program goes with what. So for example, if when you see the A, that is Microsoft Access, X is Excel, O is Outlook, P is PowerPoint, and then when you get the green P, that goes with Publisher, and then the W is for Microsoft Word. So let's go ahead and open Microsoft Word program. And notice I clicked on the program, but nothing happened. If you look at the bottom of your screen, this is called your taskbar here. And notice the W is blinking on and off, which indicates click me to open. So when you clicked on it, it opened your Microsoft Word processing program. Alright, so we're going to go back to our Start menu since we opened up Microsoft Office, and Start button, All Programs. This time we want to open up Microsoft Excel. So go back to Microsoft Office and click on Excel. And so we've opened up Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet program. Now we want to open up PowerPoint. So let's go back. Start button. Click on All Programs. Go to Microsoft Office. And this time I will right click on Microsoft PowerPoint and click Open. Another different way to open it. So notice the program has opened as well. Now let's go to our desktop by minimizing all of our open programs. I probably have a lot more programs open than you. So what we are going to do right now is to create a shortcut on the desktop for our programs. You would do this if you use the programs a lot instead of going to the start menu, all programs, Microsoft Office. Another option is to create a link on the desktop. So if you go to your Microsoft Office folder, drop down on Excel and right click and go up to send to, and we want to send to the desktop. Click out, and notice we now have a shortcut that allows us to get to it quickly. Go back, all programs, Microsoft Office, right click, send to, and desktop. And now you have PowerPoint. You guys probably already have these on your desktops, so I want you to go back to your start button, click on all programs, Microsoft Office, and add Microsoft InfoPath Designer to your desktop. Send to, desktop, and here it is. Alright, so we still have the programs that we open. And remember guys that this is called a task bar. And notice all of these programs are either open or pinned to my taskbar. As I move my mouse, notice it gives me it opens up the Excel, and if I want to open it, I just click on it. Move over to Word, click to open. Move over to PowerPoint, click to open. And I can move between each application. I don't have to close out of one to get to another. I can simply move in between various applications that are already open by using my taskbar. So these are called going between applications using your taskbar. Another thing you can do to view multiple running application windows at the same time is to move your mouse and right click in a blank area on the taskbar. So when you right click, you get a pop-up menu and you will select Cascade Windows. So the 3 running application windows, and of course I have more, are arranged from top to bottom on the screen. So I can just kind of move them over so you can see them. It just kind of cascades the applications. If you right click a blank area in the taskbar to go back, you can actually select undo the cascade to undo. Go back to your taskbar and right click, and this time let's select show windows stacked. So it actually stacks your windows on top of one another. Go back and right click to undo show stack. The next thing we'll do is right click and select show windows side by side, and it puts your windows in a side by side view. There's another way to do that as well. Right click, undo show side by side, click the show desktop, right click and go to show desktop. Now a few minutes ago in our step, you notice I clicked out of everything, but I could have easily went to my taskbar, right click, and went straight to show desktop to get back to my desktop quickly. If I wanted to delete an icon on my desktop, if I move over and right click and select delete, and then yes to confirm deleting the desktop which has been added to my recycle bin. Leave the 3 applications, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint open for the next step. This concludes step 1. You've just learned how to navigate between programs in Microsoft Office. I'll see you on the